All right, folks, it's time for the Great British Baking Show with Dallin and Ashley.
Thank you, HelloFresh. Check these out. Isn't
Yeah,
that
sweet.
appealing?
They give you like a card and tells you everything you need to do, and then it all comes for each meal. Each meal has a bag. I will be making pulled pork.
Did you just burp, Georgie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will be making pulled pork Fiesta bowls, and I will be making them with George.
I'm making smothered pepper jack burgers. How's it look? That's awesome. Making sweet potato fries, baby.
My bones. It's just my bowl.
Braid is my new favorite Disney show lately. Okay, here's Ashley's stuff. Here's my stuff.
Step one.
15 minutes. I'm supposed to slice the onions, but I diced them.
You sinner.
Cried for like 20 minutes.
George gave up on helping us and he's riding his scooter around the house.
Good riding, George. Oh, that looks good. Check that out.
Taught me how to make salsa. Okay, my meal is mostly just simmering at this point. Dallin
Check this out.
is doing something amazing.
It's having me stuff the patties with cheese.
Nice.
Boom, boom,
Oh my gosh.
boom, boom.
This is like your dream.
Yeah. I've always wanted to do this. Now it's finally happening. I ate at a restaurant once that did this. Changed my life.
How do you, oh.
Fold the edges in and kind of like flatten it like that. Isn't that amazing?
Wow, learning stuff.
It told me to do that.
Seriously.
All right, it's time for the taste test challenge.
Ooh.
Let's have your bowl first, shall we? This is the pork Fiesta bowl.
It's good. Usually when I make pork, it's gross, but this is good.
It's fresh. It's really good.
It added butter at times when I would think not to.
Like when?
What I have learned is to add butter to every step.
That works every time. This is so good.